Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward tutorial on how to move files from OneDrive to your PC, updated for 2025. Whether you're looking to free up cloud storage, work offline, or just organize your files better, this guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you have the OneDrive app installed on your Windows PC. If it's not already there, head over to the Microsoft website or the Microsoft Store to download and install it quickly. Once that's done, open the OneDrive app from your taskbar or Start menu and sign in with your Microsoft account. Now, navigate through your OneDrive folders to find the files you want to move. The interface is pretty intuitive, so use the search bar if you need to locate something specific. Once you've found your files, select them by clicking on each one. Hold down the Control key to pick multiple files at once. Next, right-click on the selected files and choose the Download option. This will start downloading the files to your PC's default download folder, like the Downloads directory. For larger files, ensure you have a stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions. It might take a few minutes depending on the file size. If you want more control, you can use File Explorer instead. OneDrive often syncs files locally, so go to your OneDrive folder in File Explorer, select the files, copy them, and paste them into your desired location on your PC. This method is great for moving entire folders without downloading everything anew. After the transfer, double-check that your files are safely on your PC. If you're short on OneDrive storage, consider deleting the originals from the cloud, but always verify first to avoid any losses. And there you have it. Files moved successfully. This process is simple and efficient, making your digital life a bit easier. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.